Hello and welcome to monkeyhappy.com stage 502. This is another patron stage. This time it's Bluebird, that's what it's called. So let's go ahead and pick up these herbs. You can move these bits of the top. Okay, this pick doesn't give us anything yet. So let's go to the next screen, keep picking up items and herbs. Okay, so what have we got so far? We've got poncho, clog hand, lever, and 16 herbs. Okay, we can go up and pick up more of these herbs. We've got a puzzle here to solve. It's got 4 digits, so let's go have a look at this paper. We can see we start at 4, we go up, then we go down, down, and press again. So we go up and press one button, down, down, press another button. So let's do that. Start at 4, go up, press one button, go down, down, press another button, and then we go right, right, up, up, and press another button. So right, right, up, up, and press another button. So this is where we stayed. And then finally, down, down, left, left, up, right. Down, down, left, left, up, right. Okay, that opens up that and it gives us this key. We go inside and we pick up the bowl. We've got this wheel that we can put on the trailer. We can move this table and get the ornament part, which we stick onto here. And this guy wants a baby. Combine the 2 clog hands, put them up onto this, combine the eye and the face, stick that on here. Now we've got a glass bowl which we can fill, throw the water on here, pick up the lure, combine the lure with the rod, catch the fish. Then we've got a glass bowl to fill up again, put the fish into the bowl with the water, give it to this giant. Okay, now we've got the poncho and the head to combine. We give it to the lady inside, get this out, pick up the gem I left there, cut this, what else have we cut? This we can cut, this we can cut, this we can cut, pull that out, go inside there, cut the fly free, pick that up. And so we've picked up most of the stuff now. So we've got a fly, we've got a lever, so let's stick the lever in here, take the sphere, and let's stick it in this one. That's going to be the bottom one. That's going to be this one here. That's at the 4th position. So we look at this 4 and we turn it like this. So it's pointing as it shows southeast, I believe it is. And then it's got black, red, yellow, red. Oh, black, red, yellow, red. Okay, get the sphere, put it in here. And now we've got this at the 2nd position going down. So this second one has to go down, and then it has to show red, blue, black, blue. Red, blue, black, blue, I think it was. That's correct. Go up and stick that in here. Then we've got at 1st position down southwest, like this. And we've got red, yellow, blue, black. Okay, go up to open that up, stick that in the final one, and we've got this one here at the 3rd position going right, so like that. And then we've got red, yellow, blue, red. Open that up. Okay, so we got 46 herbs. We can get a cloth and the fly, combine that and give the wrapped fly to this insect dude. Put the gems in here, get the lipstick, put the lipstick on the pig, pick up the herb there. Then we have to open up these puzzles. So those are here. The top part of the circle is here, which is this is cut into 3, 2, 4, 2, 1. 3, 2, 4, 2, 1 for the top one. 3, 2, 4, 2, 1. And the bottom one here is pictured here. 4, 2, 4, 1, 3. 4, 2, oops, sorry. 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay, so we've got 50 herbs. We can give those to this guy. We can combine the staff parts. It starts shining yellow, as you can see. Stick it in here. And the clue says 1N, which is north. So we have to point 1 north. Then we have to turn the things yellow, press it, and the blue bird comes. There you go, guys. That's how you complete monkeyhappy.com stage 502. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for playing, and I hope to see you next time.